How to improve your microphone quality in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can improve your microphone quality in Windows 11. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is simply go to the settings of your Windows computer. So you can easily go to settings, or if you don't know how to, then you can simply go to the search bar and search for settings. Now once you are inside the settings of your Windows 11 computer, simply click onto this system option right here on the left side, and then you can simply click onto this sound option. Now within the sound option, you can see this is the input option right here. So these all controls the input or the microphone parameters. So from here you can see that within this it also has an advanced tab, and from here you can click onto this more sound setting as well, and once you will do this, you will see this pop-up that appears, and from here click onto this recording tab, and within the recording tab you can see that this is your microphone array right here. So currently my PC uses a Realtek audio microphone. So from here click onto this properties option, and it will further open a new window on which you will need to click onto this advanced option, and at the last you will see signal enhancements allows extra signal processing by the audio device. So make sure that you enable this enhancement. So simply click onto this check mark, click